Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn the command break and join. In the modify toolbar below extend command, you have the command called break at point. By using this tool, we can break the selected object at a single point. Valid objects include line, open polyline and arcs. Closed object such as circle cannot be broken at a single point. So by using this command, we can break the objects like line and open polyline and arc. Closed objects such as circle cannot be broken at a single point by using this command. Next we have another command called break. By using this command, we can break the selected object between 2 points. You can create a gap between two specified points on an object, breaking into two objects. Single object we can cut into two objects. If the points are of an object, they are automatically projected onto the object. Break is often used to create space for a block or text. So by using this command, we can break the single object into two objects. We can create space in between the two objects. Let's use these two commands and then see how we can do it. Here we have a line. It's a single object. Okay. First I'm selecting the command break at a point. Select the command, select object, and then it is asking you to specify the first break point. I'm just selecting this point as my first break point and then enter. Now if you select the object, it is divided into two objects. This is the point where we have broke these line into two object. If I move this line, you can move like this. So the single line is broken into two lines now. I'm going to delete this one and let's use the next command break. Select this command, select object. See, it is automatically taking this as the first point and it is asking you to specify the break point. See, I'm just dragging like this simply. So you have the trace line mark below this. You can just click anywhere you want. In between the line will get deleted and then the single line is now broken into two lines now like this. Just undo this. I'll show you again. The shortcut key for this break command is BR. You can select this, select object. See, if you don't give the first point, it will automatically take the first point wherever you have placed the cursor. If you want to specify this first point, you can give F in the command line. That means you are specifying the first point. See, here it is asking, if you give F over here, it will ask you to specify the first break point. So before it was taking here, now see, I'm going to give my first break point as here, and from here you can break the line wherever you want. If you want, you can also give the dimension like second break point. Instead of clicking over here, you can also give the dimension. I'm giving the dimension as 10,000 feet. See, now if you give the dimension, you can break the line into two objects. And without dimension also, if you know where you want to break, then you can specify the place by using the cursor. So in this way, you can use the break command. Next, let's try with arc. Let's draw an arc like this. It's an open object. As we have seen in the beginning, we cannot break a single point in the closed object. We can do with this open object only. We can use this break command in the open object only. See, I'm selecting this break command, select object, and I'm going to specify the first point. Click F and then this is my first point. From here till here, I'm going to break. See, now we have broken this arc into two objects. So in this way you can use this break command. Next, let's see the join command. Below break you have the tool join. So join similar object to form a single or unbroken object. Combine the series of finite, linear and open curved object at their common endpoint to create a single 2D or 3D object. So this is just opposite to break. So how we break the single object into two objects. Similarly, we can join the two object into single object. For example, let's join this line into single line. Select this command, select source object or multiple object to join. I'm selecting these two objects and then give enter. So simply you have to select the two object and then give enter. If you type J in the command line, you will get this one. Select this. See, I'm selecting the source object, this one, and again this one. After that, see here, select objects to join 1 and 2, 2 found in total. 2 objects we are going to join and then press enter. So now got the single line and then the whole arc we got. Whatever we have drawn in the beginning, the same thing we got. If you want to break this one, you can break into two objects, and after that if you want to join this, you can join the broken object by using this join tool. So friends, that's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.